Hey guys, it's Tracy with a Y. I haven't seen you guys forever. I did just recently paint Riley's old bedroom. I wanted to paint it white and black to go with the bedding that I did back in November. Anyway, so here's a quick preview. This was the before. I've missed you guys too. I didn't tape off. I watched several videos on how to do your edging without using that painter's tape. So I'm going to paint the wall right there with the two windows. I'm going to paint it black. And then the other walls I painted Snow White from Sherwin-Williams. And the black was Tricorn Black from Sherwin-Williams also. So here's just a quick preview. I did all the cutting on the white the night before, and this is the black, and honestly it went on so much smoother and faster. It probably only took me an hour to paint that wall. It took me literally 4 or 5 hours to do the white, and honestly I could still do another coat of it. It did not go on well. The coverage was not good, and I thought it was going to be the opposite. I thought the black was going to take forever and the white was just going to go and be smooth, but I was way wrong. The black went on beautifully. It was almost like the paint, even though it was the same brand, the paint was a little bit thicker. It just went on so much smoother. So here's a few photos again of where that's when I painted it white. As you can see here, and I literally did 4 coats, but I don't paint real heavy, so like I don't put it on real thick. So 4 coats, probably could have used a 5th coat in certain spots. This is the white done, and then still the white. I'm not sure why I took so many photos. Anyways, I really hate painting. I hate doing all the prep. I just like the end result. But the painting is very stressful to me. I'm not real good at it. Takes me forever. Unfortunately. There's Juji Mufu. Okay, here's the black. Anyways, I love it. I'm glad I did it. I hated it while I was doing it. So here's some of the end results. I got a couple pictures from Hobby Lobby. There you go. There's my bedding. I had it. It's all from Walmart. That picture is beautiful. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's a mama with her 2 babies. And it's just really cute. There's the dresser. I put that black and white photo of my family names on there. And then over here, I got this at Hobby Lobby. I never pay full price for anything. But he was so cute with his little glasses on, that bunny. I bought him full price. I got black curtains from Amazon. There's Jerry. Still have a tree in here. These are my boys' senior boards from high school. I wanted to hang them up, and they're black frames. So anyways, this was the end. I really, really love it. It looks good. It could look better, but hey, I'm no professional. Anyways, guys, I enjoyed doing this. Thank you, and have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.